Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram cold refresh feed problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is very simple. Go to the settings on your phone, scroll all the way down until you find the apps manager page. When you click on the apps right here, you will find all the apps as you can see and as you can read right here. Those are all the apps that I have on my phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop right here. After you click on force stop, now you have only to do one thing. Go down to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you need to make sure that the data usage of the app are enabled. Every network access should be like this, enabled. And if it's still not working, then you have to go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.